Holly jolly holiday, everybody, and welcome to Jim's Kitchen. Today we're going to be making a special Christmas morning casserole. I love waking up in the morning on Christmas and having a lovely casserole awaiting me. This one is called the Christmas Morning Wifesaver. I didn't give it that name, of course. So basically, it's a very easy to put together casserole, and you can make it overnight and put it in the refrigerator, and the next morning it's easy to pop in the oven. So let's do it. Time to spray my casserole dish. Let's place 5 slices of bread in the bottom of that dish. I need to layer some ham lunch meat on top of that bread, and a couple cups of shredded cheese. And more bread. Grab a bowl. I need 6 eggs. Some black pepper, a teaspoon of dry mustard. I need to chop up some chives into that. 2 teaspoons of Worcestershire sauce and a teaspoon of hot sauce. Whisk that together. I'll also whisk in 3 cups of milk. Let's pour this on top. Now you're going to cover it up and put it in the fridge overnight, or at least an hour to let it soak in. For the topping, I'll need a cup of crushed corn flakes. And let's add half a cup of melted butter. And spread those crumbs on top. And then we bake it at 350 for about an hour. Time to open those stockings. Let it sit for 10 minutes, then it's time to serve. Christmas Morning Wifesaver Casserole. That is so tasty. I love that crispy coating on top. It's pure Christmas comfort. I think I'll give this a 7.6 out of 10. Why is everyone at the North Pole so thirsty? No well.